Cladding restoration in Berkshire. Are you looking for a company that can restore the colour back to your faded and perhaps chalky cladding in Berkshire? Cladding fades over time because of the sun's UV rays and other extreme weather conditions. The only way to bring back your cladding's colour is to remove a micron or two of the damaged top layer. Removing the surface of the damaged cladding is performed by using a special cream and applicator pad, which are applied by hand method. Purple Rhino Cladding Restoration Teams in Berkshire use the 3 steps clean, restore and protect system, which we have developed over many years. Learn more by visiting purple-rhino.co.uk or by calling our Berkshire Cladding Restoration hotline on 0800 157 7484. Purple Rhino restore cladding in Berkshire and throughout the UK.